Fuck. Hey guys, well today we got a 2011 Mazda 3. This car's been in a pretty severe front end collision. It didn't look this bad until I've taken bunch of parts out. I would have loved to get it started, and I did unintentionally. So I had my jumper box on and battery was dead, and the car's stuck. The shifter linkage is kind of caught between the radiator condenser, so I pried everything off. After doing so, I attempted to remove the starter fuse right here, or relay, and then I was just going to remove it, put a, turn the ignition on, put a jumper and start it. Before I could do that, there's a hole right here, right there, starter relay. And let me show you how to start this thing. You turn the ignition on. Okay, I don't recommend doing this, but I thought it was cool. So I'm gonna just stick my screwdriver in there, push it. Leaking transfer pretty bad. All right, we just shut it off. Oh shit, I didn't see that. Oops. All right, well, don't do that. All right, let me clean this mess up. Bye.